Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend and ready for crafting week. Today I'm going to share how to make this layered, I think let's call it cards, using some vellum and stamp on them. I love this technique because you can make something super quick and also super effective with just literally no stress. Okay, keep watching and I will see you very soon. I've got my hands on these. It's called Calming Camellias from Stampin' Up. I got this off eBay second hand, paid about £7, but it's brand new, completely brand new. So I've got myself a very nice bargain. So I wanted to try and test it and do something a bit different. So I've got some pieces of vellum and I've done these two prints good 15 minutes ago, because when you play with vellum you need to leave the time for the ink to dry, because as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's still very wet, you see. So when you play with vellum you need to take it into consideration that it takes more time to dry the ink because you are on a plastic sort of surface. So what I've done, I wanted to create some background of vellum to layer on something. Maybe I was even thinking some music sheet notes. So I've done a couple of options. So I've done this one here on my left and this one here on my right. So I've got here, this is the Distress Oxide vintage photo. And what I've done, I simply covered the stamp, and then I think I'm gonna, because I have a full stamp in the middle, yeah, I think I'm gonna go for the two corners. So I do first generation stamp, second generation stamp, and third on the corner, and I think I'm gonna go for a full one on the other side. Maybe one in the corner and then one in the middle. Okay, so now let me try to lift it up. What do you guys think? I think these flowers are very, very pretty. So it will dry in a bit. And I've got here some, let me try this one first that I've done a while ago. Yeah, oh yeah, is it gonna work? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to attach that to here, and I've got some other bits in my stash, so I think we're going to go for this one here. This we made it last month. No, because I don't think you're gonna see it. We need something. Oh, I know what. I've got here a map. This is a very large, very large map. I think it's gonna look quite nice. Yes, so let me just cut a piece. I think I'm gonna cut, sorry, I should have prepped this, but I wasn't sure what to do after playing with the vellum. So yeah, okay, it's a very large, it's old-fashioned maps that nobody uses now, because now we have Google that tells you where to go. Yeah, definitely. And in fact, I might put that in there. So we have music sheet, a map, and what else can we use? I've got a postcard. got a couple of postcards. How about we put that on front? Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Right. So this technique is very old. Yeah, it's probably one of the most older technique that I've done on my channel. I used to experiment. I literally play with some ink as well. This was a fail. I was working with some alcohol markers, and then I sprayed some alcohol on it, but it didn't work. So I literally, the only result I've done is having a pink finger. But what am I gonna do, guys? I'm going to attach the vellum to these three pieces. So we got a postcard, we've got a map, and then we got some new music sheet notes. I'm going to cut them and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is one with a map, because you can still see the map, but also you see the flowers. Love it. Number 2 with the postcard. It's probably my favorite out of the 3. And then number 3 is the music notes, the music sheet. What do you guys think? Now with this, you can make cards, greetings card, you can make journal cards. Let me know in the comment if you want me to do another video using this and we make something up. I was even thinking to do like a little collage, maybe do some stitching, just put some labels and keep it quite simple. I don't know. Let me, if you guys are in, I don't want to do things like, I don't want to do another video that you might not be interested, because we already done one. But I don't know, we could probably do with some, we can use some team holds, dolls. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do something with those, or should we just leave it, do something else, because I can do another video in the next couple of weeks. It's completely up to you guys. But yeah, that's it for today. Let me know if you like playing with vellum, because if you do, we can make more videos together with playing with vellum and come up with different ideas. But I do love to use vellum, especially to print on them and create some layers. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. Guys, if you like this video, please consider giving a very big thumbs up. It really helps with my channel here on YouTube, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification, because it says that you like what I make. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.